Hey friends, happy Thursday. I'm sad I can't see you this morning, but hopefully this video will help you in case you get stuck today so that you know exactly what to do and you can just watch this and don't be afraid to pause it and rewind it if you forget how to do something, okay? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at your assignments today. Today is Thursday, October 15th, and here is what you have to do, okay? The first thing is you have some reading. Now the reading today is going to be on HMH Ed, and how do you get to HMH Ed? You go to Clever. So here is what you need to do. You'll go to Clever, and then you're going to do the assignment, and it's going to be called the collaborative discussion, okay? And it's going to be questions 1 through 3. So let's go ahead and let's do it together. So Bruce, I'm in as you, buddy. So remember, if you're in as Mrs. Bush's, if you're in my page, you're going to need to go back. And then Ed should be right next to me, or it will be a little bit down. So this is what it looks like. Once you click on it, it's going to open up to the HMH assignments, and it's going to say hi. It's going to say your name. Hi, Bruce. That's what it will say for Bruce's. Now, once it's uploaded, you're going to see where it has your dashboard, and it might not say that you have anything. So remember what you do. You need to go to the word assignments. Everybody look at this. Click on assignments. Now once you click on assignments, you're going to see where it has right here, collaborative discussion. And it has the date on it, October 15th. Okay? And for this discussion today, when you click on it, I'm continuing yours, Bruce, so just continue it. It's going to pull up to the next page. Now, if my pop-up blocker's on, so if that happens, remember what you do. You clear your pop-ups, and then you try it again, and then it reloads. Okay, just like this. Oops, my lights just went off. And in the collaborative discussion, you'll see right here, it is going to be about the story we read this week. So it tells you to look back at the beginning, and it says to look at page 235. Why is James Madison called the father of the Constitution? So if you forget, you're going to go back to this page. So you can use those arrows and flip back until we learned about James Madison. And he was at the very beginning. He was at the very beginning. So he also is throughout the story a little bit too, but if you forget, remember you can always re-listen to the story. It's not very long. There's just a lot of little bits of information that we need to know. So I got this started for us. James Madison is called the father of the Constitution because, now if you have your book at your house, which some of my virtual learners do, this is going to be on your My Book on page 241, and you can just write it in there, and you could send me a picture if you want. But my other kiddos, I had us do it on the computer because that way I can get your answers right away without any paper. Does that make sense? So you have two options. If you have your book, page 241. If you don't, it's right here on your HMH Ed, okay? So once you finish that, you have these 3 questions, it automatically saves your work. So you don't need to send me it. It saves your work, so then I get a notification that says you're done. That's how it works on my end, okay? So that is your reading assignment today. You have 3 questions. And again, if you forgot the story, go back and listen to it. That's why this audio feature is awesome. Now, after reading, you have language. And the language assignment today is in Schoology, and it's in the language course, and it's called Past, Present, Future Part 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do that. Remember, you go over to Clever, you click on Schoology. Once you're in Schoology, remember you want to make sure you're on the language course. Once you're in the language course, today is going to be the Past, Present, Future Part 2. Okay, and when you click on the assignment, you can double check the date. You're going to see how, Bruce, I resumed yours, so all you got to do is hit resume. You're going to hit start. And then look what you're going to do. You're going to draw a circle around the action verb, but in here, and because you're not going to draw, you're actually going to type. So Daniel will choose a baseball bat. So that's the future. Will choose means it will happen in the future. Remember, will, plays with an S is present, and played with an ED is past. So let's do this one. He steps up to the plate. That means he's doing it right now. So that's present. So you're just going to write this word. The pitcher tossed the ball. Ooh, that's in the past because it has an ED. Past. So you're going to finish the rest of these. When you're done, you're going to hit review and then you're going to submit it. Okay, after that language assignment, you have a math assignment. So that is also in Schoology under the math course. So let's go ahead and let's go to our courses. Let's click on math. And you're going to see that it's called the Math Clocks Review. Now something I did is I also put a cool video in here for you. And this video helps. You don't have to do anything with this video. You can just watch it. The video is for you just to watch. If it will let me click on it, let me see if I can refresh. Sometimes if it's being silly, I'll just always reload my screen. There we go. Look at that. And this video has some refreshers if you forgot how we use clocks. Okay? You don't have to do anything on this. You just watch the videos if you need help, because I'm not going to be here to help you, so those videos will help you. But here is the assignment, Math Clocks Review 10-15. You want to go ahead and you want to click Start. I'm going to hit Resume because I'm on Bruce's and I am just showing you his right now. And you're going to use the marker tool and draw the hour and minute hands. So if this is 6:10, my hour is 6. So I'm going to make it, remember my hour hand's a little shorter, and 10, 5:10. So it's 6:10. That is what 6:10 looks like. Okay, you have 6 clocks to draw on. When you finish that, go to question number 2. In question number 2, you use the marker tool again, but this time you pick what you think the best answer. So what time does this look like? This is 5 o'clock. So you can circle 5 o'clock. If it's easier for you just to go like this, dot, I'll accept that too, just so I can see that you know this is 5 o'clock. What time does this clock say? 11 o'clock. Do you see what I'm doing here? When you're done, you're going to hit review and then you submit it to me. So that's your math assignment today. Now, after math, there's something super fun I'm excited to show you. We have a science, and the science is also in Schoology, and it's called the Science of Leaves. So let's go ahead and let's look at that right now. Let's go to our science course. And the Science of Leaves 10-15 is right here. Let's click on it. And look what it says. It says click on the link below. So you need to click on this blue link right here. So click on it, and it should open to a new screen. And it looks like this. Now it's going to ask for your email address. Remember, your email address is just your number, 25. So Bruce, I'm typing your number in. This is your email address right here. But if you just remember your number and then your name, oh, you got to have your @ here. So put myips.org, okay? Bruce, you can put your whole name for me, and then I get this response. So it just so I know who you are, okay? And it says first watch this video. You have to answer a question. You have to write an answer here, write another answer. Look, go outside and get a leaf. Then I want you to go outside. I want you to go find a leaf if you can. If you can't, look out your window. Do you have a window at your house or at your home? Can you see if there's a leaf? What color is your leaf? Is the edge pointy or smooth? Tell me about the kind of year your leaf had outside. So that means, like, is your leaf kind of beat up? Does it look like it's kind of got crumply? Did an animal start eating it? Does it look like bugs got it? Tell me about that. And then you can go grab some more leaves, and this is pretty cool. You can make a leaf picture, a leaf rubbing. So look at this picture, and it's going to be a YouTube video that's going to show you how to make the leaf picture. And then how many leaves does your rubbing have? So if you did it, if you didn't do it, you can put 0. If you did do it, then tell me how many leaves you notice, okay? Something kind of fun for you to do today. That's your science activity, my friends. And then the last thing that you have is you have your technology time. So remember, it is so important that every single day you work on Zearn for 15 minutes, and then you need to do Edmentum, your learning path, for 30 minutes. I'm going to let you pick any learning path that you want. Have someone at who you live with, have a grown-up, have them time you so that you can get your minutes in, because I'll definitely track those, okay? So these are your assignments today. If you need any help, Miss Cardona will be there for you for today and for Friday. But hopefully this video will help you know where to go. Now remember, if you get stuck on something or if something's not working, you can also always send me a dojo message. I'm going to post this on your dojo portfolio so that your parents see it and that you can also view it too. And remember, how you get to your dojo portfolio is you go to your Clever page, and if you click on Class Dojo Portfolio, you'll be able to see all the posts. So I'll put the posts of that picture on there. So if you go and you can see where it's at, it will be right here. So you'll be able to see where that is at, okay? And that, oh, I'm on Derek's now. Hey, Derek. I thought I would stay on Bruce's. And you'll be able to see all the posts that I do. And you can leave me a message. You can tell me something's not working. I would love to see that, okay? Good luck, everybody. You're going to rock Thursday. Have an awesome day. Bye.